Okay.
You going?
Not you!
So, the common denominator that we have here is going to be an x plus 3 and an x minus 3. So we have this 4. I'm going to rewrite it because we just don't have enough space here. X plus 3 and x minus 3. Now, if we have that, and we see that we have this other guy here, this x minus 3, what we're missing is we're missing a denominator on this side that would match this. And so if I multiply by x plus 3 over x plus 3, okay, that allows me then to have a new numerator and a common denominator here. So the entire thing is still over all this madness. And what I need to do is get the same denominator here. Okay, there's other ways of doing this actually that I might consider showing you. And I'll show you on the next one another option. So x minus 3 on top and bottom. And we have a plus this 1 over x minus 3. Now, again, we did the minus 3 and the minus 3 so that we can have a common denominator of x plus 3, x minus 3. We do that over here. We have the minus 3. We need the x plus 3 now. And the x plus 3. So now we have common denominators all around. We need to look at what stuff that we can kind of combine. And so let me do this. Okay. The numerator then has a denominator of x plus 3 and x minus 3. Okay, the numerator of this is going to be a 4 plus, and then I'm going to distribute the 2. So I've got a 2x plus 6, and we'll deal with that in just a second. All over. This is an x minus 3 plus x plus 3. And that whole thing is over the x plus 3 and x minus 3. So this is again a work in progress, but now I have my like terms. I can add these guys together. That gives me 10. Okay, so I have a 2x plus 10 over x plus 3, x minus 3. Now this stuff here, look at this. I've got 2 x's, but the 3's are going to cancel. Okay, I'm going to do this in an extra step, equals. And there's some of this stuff you can kind of consolidate. So there's a 2x, but the 3's cancel, so I'm just left with that. Over x plus 3 and an x minus 3. So that whole thing now, I've got a fraction over a fraction. It is now that I can rewrite this as 2x plus 10 over x plus 3, x minus 3, times, instead of divided by, the reciprocal of this. So that's the x plus 3 and the x minus 3 over the 2x. Now, I'm going to blow your mind a little bit here in just a second. After we cancel all those and we're left with a 2x plus 10 over 2x, some of you are getting good, finally, at saying I can't reduce these, even though I see a 2x and a 2x. Shame on you for some of you who do that. There's a plus here, which disallows my ability to reduce part of that combination of things. However, there is something we can reduce. What we can do is we can take out a 2 from the top, leaving us with an x plus 5. If that's the case, I can then reduce this 2 with this 2, leaving me with just the x plus 5 over x.
Excuse me.